Jill, you've assembled some of the best players in the region to come right here in Jamaica. It's been a while. The last event was held in Guyana in 2019. We were supposed to host the following year, and of course, the dreaded COVID-19 came. Your thoughts on pulling this together and how things are going so far?
I think we're very excited to be able to have got it together. We thought earlier in this year that we wouldn't be able to manage it, but we sat down, the committee got together, and we just worked very hard, and now we're very excited that most of the top players in the region are coming. So we're going to get some really good competition, and it's a big boost to Jamaica's squash and Jamaica to have all these different countries coming.
How are the logistics going for you?
We're just about ready, actually. The courts are just being finished by Liguanea Club. They've had a big job on. The teams start arriving on Friday. The tournament director arrives tomorrow, so he will get everything on the ground for us, and then we start Sunday morning bright and early.
Why did you decide to get involved? I mean, there's so many things happening, especially this summer. Why squash?
Well, with the economy and the country opening up, we feel, we want to get involved as quickly as we can to be a part of all the activities that are taking place. There's so many activities like you mentioned, but this one in particular with Caribbean competitors coming in, we export a lot of our products into the islands. We felt the timing was good, the range of products that we have for spectators and competitors. We felt this one had to be on the list as well. So we look forward to them coming in tomorrow and the activity starting on Sunday.